If you're trying to figure out how to use GoDaddy email, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from signing in to checking your inbox, sending a message, and logging out safely at the end. This is a simple tutorial, but if you're new to GoDaddy email, it can feel confusing at first, so I'll make it easy to follow. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy in your web browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your hosting or email service, because that's what you'll need to open your mailbox. Once you're logged in, head to My Products. From there, look for Web Hosting and click Manage. This is where your hosting settings are located, and it's also where you can access cPanel for your email tools. After you open the hosting management area, find and open cPanel. cPanel is the control panel that lets you manage different parts of your hosting account, including email accounts. Once cPanel loads, look for the email issue. Under that section, click Email Accounts. This will show you the email addresses connected to your domain. Now find the email account you want to use. Next to that account, you'll see an option that says Check Email. Click that button to open the webmail login area for that specific mailbox. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to choose a webmail app or continue directly. When prompted, click Open to enter your mail account. Once you're inside, you'll see your email dashboard. From here, you can manage your messages easily. If you want to read incoming mail, click Inbox to view all your received messages. If you want to review messages you've already sent, click Sent to see your sent emails. This makes it easy to keep track of conversations, check for replies, and stay organized. If you want to send a new email, look for the Compose button, click Compose, and a new message window will open. In the From field, select or confirm the email address you want to send from. In the To field, type the recipient's email address, then add a subject so the person knows what the message is about. After that, type your message in the Content area. If you need to attach a file, such as a document, image, or PDF, use the attachment option before sending. Just choose the file from your computer and upload it. Double check everything before you send, especially the recipient address and subject line, so you don't accidentally send it to the wrong person. When everything looks good, click Send. That's really all there is to it. Using GoDaddy email is mostly about knowing where to go inside your account and which buttons to click. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes very quick and easy. You can open your inbox, review sent messages, and send new emails all from the same place. Before we finish, there's one last important step. If you're done using the email account on a shared device, or you just want to keep your account secure, make sure to log out properly. To do that, click the logout button in the bottom left corner. That helps protect your email access and keeps your account safe. If this tutorial helped you learn how to use GoDaddy email, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.